Hey everyone, Siraj here. Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI with DeepSeek R1. Imagine having a super smart AI assistant that can write stories, generate code, and even chat like a human. That's DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek R1 is a revolutionary AI platform designed to make AI accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting out. It's packed with awesome features like text generation, code assistance, and chatbot creation. With text generation, you can create amazing stories, articles, and even poems. Need help with coding? DeepSeek R1's code assistance has got your back. It can help you write better code faster. And if you've ever wanted to build your own chatbot, DeepSeek R1 makes it a breeze. So, whether you're a writer, a coder, or just curious about AI, DeepSeek R1 has something incredible for you. Let's explore how to unlock its potential. Now that you know what DeepSeek R1 is all about, you're probably wondering how to get your hands on it. Well, you have two convenient options: the online demo and local installation. The online demo is perfect for those who want to try before they dive in. It gives you a taste of DeepSeek R1's capabilities without installing anything. You can experiment with text generation, code assistance, and chatbot features right from your browser. For a more immersive experience and full control, local installation is the way to go. This means downloading and installing DeepSeek R1 directly onto your computer. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll walk through the steps together. Ready to unleash the power of DeepSeek R1 on your local machine? Awesome! Here's a beginner-friendly guide to get you started. Step 1. Install Python. Think of Python as the language DeepSeek R1 speaks. Download and install the latest version of Python from the official website, python.org. Step 2. Set up a virtual environment. A virtual environment keeps everything organized and prevents conflicts with other projects. Use the command to create one. Step 3. Activate the environment. Activate your new environment using for Linux or macOS or for Windows. Step 4. Install libraries. DeepSeek R1 relies on some cool libraries. Install them using replace with the actual file name. Step 5. Download and use DeepSeek R1. Finally, download DeepSeek R1 from the official website and follow the instructions to get it running. That's it. You've successfully installed DeepSeek R1 and are ready to explore its amazing AI capabilities. Congratulations on setting up DeepSeek R1. Now the real fun begins. Let's explore some practical applications of this powerful AI tool. 1. Chatbot development. Create your own intelligent chatbots that can interact with users, answer questions, and provide assistance. 2. Content writing. Generate high-quality articles, stories, poems, and more with the help of DeepSeek R1's text generation capabilities. 3. Code generation. Speed up your coding process and reduce errors by leveraging DeepSeek R1's code assistance features. 4. Research and automation. Automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and gain insights faster with DeepSeek R1's AI-powered tools. These are just a few examples of what you can achieve with DeepSeek R1. Remember, the possibilities are limitless. To keep the AI momentum going, connect with fellow enthusiasts in online communities, participate in forums, and never stop learning. DeepSeek R1 is your gateway to the incredible world of AI. Embrace it, explore it, and let your creativity soar.